Now here's a song that's about, well, it's about an old dog friend of mine. He's no longer with us, and his name was, well his name was Trey. Song goes like this. What gentler eye, what nobler heart does warm the winter day than the true blue orb and the oaken core of beloved old dog Trey? What gentler eye, what nobler heart does warm the winter day than the true blue orb and the oaken core of beloved old dog Trey? Modulate. What gentler eye, what nobler heart does warm the winter day than the true blue orb and the oaken core of beloved old dog Trey? Woo.